this weekly candle printed a minus 1.45 billion delta. This is bigger than the previous major dump we saw right here. So in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly why that matters right now. So by the end of this video, you will know what levels you need to watch this week and what will happen next if we break this level right here. So stay with me and let's go. Okay, we are on the weekly chart and let's start with the bearish case first, because the buyers lost the weekly point of control right here. They really tried to hold support. The sellers came in with 39 million in sell pressure, and now we are down here, and this is the fourth weekly candle we are pushing down. There are reasons to be a little bit scared. Why? Yes, we swept 65.6 here, but we have a lot of lows still open. So these might be targets if we lose this current level today or this week. Also, it's important to know that this is the structure low, because this is the market structure we have. So if we break down and we close below this level, we are officially back to bearish. So this level is very, very important to hold. Also, if we switch to the daily chart, we see that we are in extreme demand and we are reacting properly. Okay, so that's good. Also, if we have the volume profile right here, we can see that we are at the value area low of the volume profile. And if we break this level, the next target is this naked point of control at 63,600. But we don't want to see that. Why? Because we will lose the bullish market structure and then continuation is inevitable. So let's talk about, do I think that this is the bottom, the big bottom for Bitcoin? I don't think so. Why? This is not an Wyckoff accumulation model, and I think we will reach lower prices in the next upcoming months. But I think the chances are really great to see a local bottom at this current price point. Okay, why? First of all, we see minus 1.45 billion. It's a lot. Okay, in this big candle here, we saw minus 1.1 billion, and this time the sellers didn't manage to get anywhere. They just got absorbed, and that's really good. We also see the open interest rising, so longs are really opening new positions. That's a good thing to see as well, and we see absorption at this level. Okay, so before I give you entry levels for this week, I want to talk about the invalidation level, and for me it's quite easy. If we accept below this low, then everything I said about the local bottom is not valid anymore. Okay, so we can sweep and we can shift and we can drive. This is perfect, this is okay, but we don't want to see acceptance and then the price going lower fast. Why? Because there is immense sell pressure. The sellers are really pressing right here, and if they can manage to push the lows again, they are still in control. So okay, we are shifting to the 1 hour chart because I want to give you a few setups I am playing today. Okay, so we see that the price fails to make lower lows for a long time. I mean, we make lower lows, but the bulls are, and this is what we call absorption, the bulls keep absorbing the price, creating wicks or coming back to the breaking points. This is the sign of accumulation and forming a possible bottom in the near future. So what are important levels to look at? In this case, we have an untested 1 hourly level right here. We also see that we have failed sellers in this level. We see an open point of control and we see the daily value area low sitting at 66,350. So what I want to see for a long setup today in this case is I want to sweep and test below the vol and reclaim the value area low, and then I'm going long. So the entry lies after the test. Okay, this is one entry, and we are trading to previous day point of control at first at, let's say, 69k. So this is setup one for today or this week, depends on when we come back. And the next one is the Asia low or the daily low. What I want to see is a big sweep and a fast reclaim of the level. If we see the bulls stepping in, then we can go long, stop below the low, and then we can trade to the previous day point of control. So everything will invalidate if we sweep the low. This is the new invalidation point. If we break, then everything I said in this video is not correct. We will go lower, and yeah, I will expect lower prices. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.